Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Ahzab, chapter number 33, verse number 59, O Prophet, tell your wives and your daughters and the believing women that when they go abroad, they should put on the cloak, they should put on the jilbab, so that they shall be recognized and it will prevent them from being molested. Quran says hijab has been prescribed for the women so that they shall be recognized and it will prevent them from being molested. I'd like to ask you a question. That suppose two twin sisters who are very beautiful, who are equally beautiful, if they are walking down the streets of Dubai, walking down along the Corniche, and if one twin sister, she is wearing the Islamic hijab, the complete body covered except the face and hands up to the wrist, and the other twin sister, she is wearing the Western clothes, the mini skirts or shorts. And if both of them are walking down the streets in Dubai, along the Corniche, and if on the side there is a ruffian who is waiting for a catch, who is waiting to tease a girl, I am asking the question, which girl will he tease? Will he tease the girl wearing the Islamic hijab, or will he tease the girl wearing the Western clothes, the mini skirts or short? Which girl will he tease? Which girl? But natural, the girl wearing the Western clothes, the mini skirts or short. If you are inviting, then you will receive. Quran rightly says that hijab has been prescribed to prevent the woman from being molested. And after this, if anyone rapes any woman, the Islamic Sharia says death penalty. Many non-Muslims will say, death penalty? In this age of 21st century, Islam is a barbaric religion. It's a ruthless law. But when I ask this question, and I've asked this question to thousands of non-Muslims, that suppose, God forbid, someone rapes your mother, or someone rapes your sister, and if you are made the judge, and the rapist is brought in front of you, what punishment will you give him? Believe me, all of them said, 100%, we will put him to death. Some went to the extreme of saying, we will torture him to death. So someone rapes your mother, your wife, your sister, you want to put him to death. Someone rapes somebody else's mother, somebody else's sister, you say, death penalty, barbaric law. Why these double standards? Why? And do you know, America, USA, which happens to be the most advanced country in the world, do you know it has one of the highest rates of rape in the world? The country which has one of the highest rate of rape in the world is USA. According to the FBI statistics of 1990, every day 1,756 cases of rape took place. According to the statistics of US Department of Justice, in 1996, every day 2,713 cases of rape took place. 1990, 1,756. 1996, 2,713. Maybe the Americans got bolder. In 6 years' time, they got more bold. If you calculate, every 32 seconds, one rape is taking place in America. You know, we are here in this auditorium for the past 1.5 hours. Already 150 rapes may have taken place in USA till the time we are here. I am asking you the question that if you implement the Islamic Sharia, any man looks at a woman, he should lower his gaze. The woman should be modestly dressed, complete body covered, except the face and hands up to the wrist. And after that, any man rapes any woman, capital punishment, death penalty. I am asking you the question, will the rate of rape in America, will it increase, will it remain the same, or will it decrease? It will decrease. It's a practical law. You implement the Sharia, you get results. That's the reason the least rate of rape in any country in the world, it's in Saudi Arabia.